Bird Squad!
Oh man, another great day to be Bombird. I hate my life. If I'm down here anyway. How you doing, Comic Relief?
I'm the Comic Relief.
Yeah. Yeah, I know that. Why are they over here? Okay. Anyway, so I don't even know what I'm doing with my life anymore. But how you doing, Comic Relief? Are you doing okay, Comic Relief?
I'm the Comic Relief.
Well, oh my god. At least one person can be happy. Alright, well, yeah, alright. Bye, Comic Relief.
I'm the Comic Relief. Don't ever leave me again.
Alright then. Hey, my brother, Cole, how you doing?
Go.
That's good. Hello, Jeff's cousin. Yeah, whatever. Hey, Ron.
Oh, hey, how you doing, Bombird?
Pretty good. You know, just... Yeah. Hello, Grandpa.
What? What do you want?
Just checking up on everybody, making sure they're all okay.
Yeah, whatever, I'm fine. Just leave me alone. Disappointment.
Oh, well... Listen, oh god. Okay. Listen, guys, I was thinking, you know, just everybody... Oh, come down for a group meeting. Oh, my wife. I forgot about my wife. Apparently I'm a lady. How could you ever forget me? Ah! I don't know, because you're not the main character. Colin, you guys can stay right there. Just everybody, just gather around over here. Yeah, just gather.
Apparently I'm a lady.
Alright, so, I was actually thinking of, dancing. No, but I was actually thinking of, yeah. I was thinking of getting a new person to join our group. I hate my life. Yeah, so, we'll have, tryouts and stuff, to see who could be the person that we, you know, add to our bird group, bird squad, whatever.
Apparently I'm a lady.
I need all your opinions on this, so, I'm backed up and whatever.
Yeah, that sounds fine by me. Apparently I'm a lady. I'm the Comic Relief.
No, we already have all disappointments here, so why would we need even more?
Go.
Alright, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, so we have 6, and you don't even count because nobody likes you, so we're gonna have tryouts today, okay?
I hate you.
Alright, let's go. Come on, everybody. We're going to have tryouts now. Just, come on. Just, yeah.
Go.
Windclapple.
Alright, guys, here we are at the audition thing, so, let's have the first person, get over here and do this.
I hate you. Alright, let's do this. Oh, hello there. I'm,
Yeah,
hello there.
yeah, well, today I'm gonna be just, you know, auditioning for what I can be, you know, to join your group. As you can see, I'm a bird. Yeah, I'm a bird, and I'm flying right now, as you can see, and I have blades for hands and a lightning bolt looking hair. I like that, actually. It's pretty awesome. I like you. So now, I'm gonna be, I hate my life. Windclapple. Anyway, yeah, now, I'm gonna be auditioning what I can do to join your bird squad. Alright, then do it. Alright, here we go. So, thank you. Alright, I think that guy's pretty cool, but let's do voting. Here we go. First of all, you.
Huh? Oh, no, he's stupid.
Alright, so that's one no. I'm gonna say yes, because that was actually pretty awesome. Oh, thank you very much. Well, our voice is exact. Thank you very much. Yeah, you're welcome. Oh, what about you, Ron?
No, sorry. I have to say no.
Oh, well, that's too bad. Alright, that's okay, though. What the heck? Yeah, that's alright, though. Alright, Cole, what about you?
Go.
Yeah, he said yes. Thank you very much. Alright, next.
I'm the comic relief.
Yeah, he said no. Sorry. Oh, that's too bad. And then, you know what? Who's next? Alright, Jeff's cousin. He doesn't actually talk, so that's just a no, I guess. And my wife, apparently I'm a lady.
Apparently I'm a lady. No.
Oh, well, that's too bad. Alright, well, thank you. I might try again some other time. Oh, I'm just gonna leave now. I hate my life. Alright, I don't know why you guys didn't like him. That was awesome.
No, it wasn't.
Whatever. Next! Oh! I'm Drugan!
Druggin.
I'm Drugan! Oh! I'm Drugan! Alright, Drugan, I'm Drugan! I'm Drugan!
Oh. I'm drugging.
Alright, Drugan, why do you wanna be part of our bird squad? Why do you wanna be part of our bird squad, Drugan? I'm Drugan! Okay, then, that was weird. Next!
Oh, I have osteoporosis.
Wait, really? You actually have osteoporosis? Yes, I do. Didn't work. See, that's why my head isn't working. I don't know why I'm a dragon with osteoporosis. Oh my god, did he just die?
Oh my, he just died. Push him off, Ron. Alrighty then.
Next.
Hello there. I'm
Hi there.
Hi. So I'd like to audition for your bird squad. I'm joining.
Alright, whatever. Just do it and get it out of the way. Because I hate having to do this. It's boring and I'm getting tired. I'm hungry.
I want a Big Mac. Alright, let me audition my talent. You ready?
Yeah, whatever. Oh my god, how much longer of this do we have?
2.5 hours later.
I hate this so much.
So can I join your group or what?
No, get out of here. Oh. Wait, this is the final one. Yes. Next. Oh. Oh, banana. Alright then, hi there, what's your name? Alright, well, apparently you don't have a name.
Apparently I'm a lady. I wanna die.
just have to... I'll give you a name just to call you by. Let's see here.
It's 20 minutes later. Sorry, 20 minutes later. That's better.
I got it! I'll name you... Gizmo. Yep, your name is Gizmo now, apparently.
Apparently I'm a lady.
How did we even do that?
Magic.
Alright, Gizmo. So what makes you want to join our group? Alright, that's a pretty good reason. What is that? That's a pretty good reason. Oh, your talent? Alright, please demonstrate. It was beautiful. Thank you, that was so beautiful.
Apparently I'm a lady. I'm the comic relief. Go. That was actually pretty good.
I already said what I said, but I think it was already pretty good.
Huh? What? No, he's not allowed through.
Don't listen to my grandpa. He's stupid.
Trance.
Alright, let's take a vote now. Grandpa?
No, I don't like him. Oh, I'm an old fat person. Why am I so old and fat?
Because
Because why?
because your mom didn't love you.
Uh,
Anyway, I'm gonna say yes.
yeah, I'm definitely saying yes too. Go. I'm the comic relief. Apparently I'm a lady, yes.
So beautiful. Alright, well, time to go home. Come on, everybody.
Come on up, Gizmo, let's go. Apparently I'm a call. It's high noon. Apparently I'm a worthless sack of nothing.
Oh, here we go. We're almost home.
Oh.
Alright, guys. Everybody just go in your place and I'll get him settled in.
I'm the comic relief.
What the heck?
Yeah, we're already all here.
Oh, okay, then whatever. Alright, buddy. Gizmo, so let me just show you.
Oh. When you nut. Thick.
Alright, so let me just show you to your new place. So just go right there. That's where you sit. Sorry, well, I'm joking. If you couldn't tell, that's where you sit. Alrighty then. Well, I hate having to go up here. Sucks. Well, there we go. Amazing. Well, this is awesome. We got a new member, so now we have 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, we have I think 7 or 8. 9 or 8 new characters. Characters in general. They're not new. Welp. That was a great day, guys.
I hate you. Alright, yeah, that was pretty awesome.
Alright, we'll just end this now.
Bird Squad!